Acclaimed Manipuri film director, actor, music director and playwright Oken Amakcham passed away this morning following a prolonged illness. Born in 1962, Oken Amakcham was a deeply passionate cultural exponent who dedicated his life to the fields of theatre, music and cinema. Over a career spanning decades, he established himself as a multifaceted powerhouse, seamlessly transitioning between directing, acting, composing, music, and writing plays. His contribution to pioneering Manipuri celluloid cinema remains monumental. In 1993, he made his directorial debut with the celluloid feature film Kong Thang, which achieved national recognition with its selection for the prestigious Indian Panorama. He followed this milestone in 1995 with his second celluloid feature, Mayo Fike Macha. The film was the coveted Best Feature Film Award at the 42nd National Film Awards, putting Manipuri cinema firmly on the national map. In 1999, his celluloid venture, Aroiba Bidai, clinched the Best Feature Film Trophy at the 4th Manipur State Film Festival. Another notable feature film, China, won him the Best Direction accolade, cementing his status as a master storyteller. Beyond his directional vision, Oken Amakcham was a prolific musical force in the industry. He composed the background scores for 22 Manipuri films and lent his genius to directing and composing over 90 film songs. As an on-screen performer, his versatility is shown through in his acting roles across 9 celluloid films and 18 digital films. He also directed the critically acclaimed documentary Ratantiyam, The Man of Theatre, charting the life of the world-renowned theatre director, and secured an Indian Panorama selection, which was screened at the International Film Festival of India (IFFI) in 1999. Moreover, he directed 12 plays for the juvenile theatre, and his demise has triggered widespread mourning across the state, with cultural icons and film fraternities describing it as an irreplaceable loss to the world of Manipuri art, culture and cinema.
Punna habak tawtuna koi cheminarapani adubu nasidi mahak aikoigi mayamgi maraktagi lapna chatkre magi mafamda aikoina awaga phongdok chepaga loina manungi awaga pulsari Oken Amakcham dongna leba mya khambiraba yamasna Manipur film ki life survive se koi yam saung mangjaba menjun nang nang de ba chwa ho ba ma le ho ne ba si ai site ki ma ji film forum site kam jage nang ho ri bi mo nang biwa ba da film forum site ki ma ji film to gri be thoni si Manipur myang me mai ki nang ho ri bi mo man ge wa ba so kai koi se ne saru ya jari